Hey, what's going on everyone? Christian with Rite-Way Detailing. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Now this morning we have just delivered the Shelby F-150 Super Snake and then swapped it out and got the 2008 Shelby GT500. You might be noticing, where are the stripes that Shelby always puts on their Mustangs? They are not present anymore because if you paid attention to our Instagram, we actually did a stripe removal on this GT500. Now there is a little piece up underneath the actual grill, so we're actually going to pop the grill out and get that out of there. It was unable to be removed without popping the grill out, so we just waited until we were actually going to do our Ceramic Pro silver package. So this already had a lot of paint correction done to it when we detailed it. We're just going to focus in on a couple little areas just to make sure that the stripes don't have a kind of discoloration from the paint, so where the stripes were. So we're going to make sure there's not a line of demarcation or anything like that. Just really inspect it and get it perfect before we go ahead and put our coating down. So we are doing the silver package just like we did on the Shelby F-150 Super Snake. So 5-year warranty. We also will be doing the G2 brake caliper painting system. We'll be doing the gloss blue. And then we'll also be putting Ceramic Pro textile on the convertible top. Also coat the cover pieces for the convertible top when it's down. You can see in here, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. My customer actually picked this thing up with only 300 miles. Now that sounds unbelievable, but I saw the receipt for it. It's so awesome it's like a time capsule, really. I haven't seen one with such low miles, and it's got about just under 3,000 with the owner taking it for some drives to Vegas and stuff like that. So really awesome story behind that, the original owner. So now my customer picked it up. We removed the stripes. Now I know some people might think that's a cardinal sin, but I really think this paint looks absolutely beautiful. It looks good with the stripes and it looks good without the stripes. So it's kind of a preference, and the owner's preference was no stripes. So he's going to be doing some awesome mods to this thing, changing out the wheels, lowering it, and actually doing the Super Snake upgrade himself. So all the Shelby parts. So this will actually become a 2008 Shelby GT500 Super Snake. So, and it's a convertible, so that's pretty wicked. You don't really see those a lot. So just want to shoot this intro for you guys, and we're going to go ahead and just do a quick decontamination wash. We've basically already did that before, but just going to really strip it down and get it ready for the coating, and then we'll go ahead and pull it into the home studio. So let's get right into it. Okay everyone, we are starting with a couple different camera views for this 2008 GT500. So I've already paint corrected it before, took the stripes off, clay barred it, so it's pretty much decontaminated, almost ready to go. There's a couple areas we're going to address paint correction wise, but right now I'm going to show you guys a couple views of actually just washing it, prepping it. So it's a little bit different washing process than normal. So hopefully you guys can see everything. I'm going to start off by degreasing the inner fender wells and then the lower rocker panels, putting some Meguiar's wheel brightener on the wheels just to clean this up. We've already cleaned it, as I said, so we're actually going to pull the wheels off, so we'll clean really well inside the inner fender wells. This is just to get the majority. So we'll get down on this rocker panel down here, side skirt, whatever you want to call it. Really do a good cleaning on this thing, get it ready to receive the coating. Now we are coating these wheels, but as I said, there are going to be custom ones put on here. So let me get inside the gas tank as well, gas cap. And right now I'll start to do some time lapses on the videos, kind of speed things up so we can get through this video, not be half an hour or 45-minute video. So here we go. Okay everyone, sorry for switching up on all the cameras. We had the SD card get full on the Rebel T6 camera, but we went ahead and did the paint correction on here. When we did detail it a couple weeks ago, we were more focused on removing the stripes, getting all the adhesive off, and just polishing that to make sure there's no line of demarcation. And as you can see now, we finished up the paint correction on this GT500, so it looks absolutely beautiful. We sprayed a bunch of hot water and alcohol into all the cracks and crevices, blew everything out because it needs to be doctor clean when we are getting ready to put the coating on, and we went ahead and wiped it down with our Ceramic Pro cleaner. So right now, just shooting this of the paint work itself, and then we're going to go ahead and start applying Ceramic Pro 9H. Then we'll begin to take the wheels off, do the brake caliper painting system, coat the wheels, everything like that. So you can see there how beautiful this paint is now. Give you guys a view on the trunk lid and stuff like that. So perfect paint now, polished inside the license plate area, that's the cutout in the bumper. And we are ready to go to apply the 9H, so let's get right into it. Okay everyone, Ceramic Pro 9H has been applied and cured for 8 hours, and then we went ahead last night and applied Ceramic Pro Light. So both layers are all finished up and cured. And this paint is looking beautiful. Now we have the Shelby GT500 jacked up properly, so we put the front wheels on some blocks, individually jacked it up, put it on blocks. That way we could get underneath the front end without touching the splitter. Jacked it up on the cross member, put jack stands in there, did the same thing on the rear end, jacked it up, jack stands, put a level on it, perfectly level now. Now I'm going to go ahead and put you guys up here on the tripod, and we're going to go ahead and get the wheels taken off. Does have a security lug, so luckily we got that socket. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these wheels off really quick. Okay, so we painted the Brembo brakes with the G2 brake caliper painting system. So it's a gloss blue. I have some custom cut decals to go on there. That's a Shelby. We cleaned up the inner fender wells and coated them as well. Already coated the wheels and wheel barrels. Super clean now. They were filthy. Let me show you guys the rear caliper really quick. Hopefully the lighting is not too bad. And then we also coated the vinyl top, or not vinyl, excuse me, convertible top, sorry about that. We coated it with Ceramic Pro textile, so 3 layers of Ceramic Pro textile. It's going to bead water just like the paint. And this GT500 is really coming along. We got to put the wheels back on, do the windows rain treatment, so we'll do 2 layers of rain. And then we got to detail the interior and do underneath the hood. Okay everyone, to finish up this video, we have totally completed the silver package, the wheels off upgrade underneath the hood, coating the actual convertible top and the covers, and also doing the G2 brake caliper paint system underneath the hood. Looks absolutely beautiful. Everything is all preserved just like it should be. It was already extremely clean and nice, so we just had to kind of polish up the old paint that was underneath there. Wasn't the best paint in the world, and we also did the wheels off upgrade as I mentioned, so these wheels look really nice now. They were really filthy and hammered with some water spots, and looked like some oil or something stuck to it and got baked on there in the sun. But we also cut out some Shelby logos on our silhouette cameo, so some silver, kind of a lighter metallic silver, not like extremely glossy, but really fits that caliper nicely and accents that wheel. Customer was very insistent on having some kind of lettering put on there, so we went ahead and just worked with what we got. I'm sure we'll upgrade and get maybe some premium or some heat treated or ceramic vinyl. We'll have to do our research to make sure we provide the best possible solution, but we did coat it with Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper, so the letters should be held up really well. And I don't know, something's kind of showing up funny on the camera with the window. It might just be because it's so freaking freezing cold right now that it might be kind of getting condensated on the inside. But the window is absolutely perfect. We have the paint match light on there to check if there's any high spots or anything, so don't worry about that in the comments. I know a lot of people like to comment and critique even though they don't do this stuff, so good for them. But we went ahead and coated the vinyl top, the convertible top as well. 3 layers of Ceramic Pro textile to really protect it just like the paint. You can see the rear. I'm not going to include the license plate in there, but we polished everything up and it's all coated now. Super nice. You can see the caliper on that wheel as well. Let me pop in the interior and I will get this thing wrapped up because we are beat. Been slamming big Ceramic Pro jobs out of the water and little custom detailing items like this, of doing brake painting and some other painting inside the inner fender wells and coating it. So we're going to go ahead and end this video. I really appreciate you guys checking out our YouTube videos, and if you do like this video and you want to see more of our content, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that notifications bell. We've really got big plans for Rite-Way Detailing. Just started out on YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, Right_Way_Detailing, and then also our Facebook, Rite-Way Detailing 1. You can check us out on our website at www.Rite-Way Detailing, so RiteWayDetailing.com. You can also shoot us an email. I'll include our email and contact information in the show more or description box below. And once again, I really appreciate everyone that tunes into this. We're going to provide the best content that we can. as of right now, just me being a one-man show. So trying to film while getting this done proves difficult, but no big deal. Not going to cry and complain. I really enjoy just sharing this kind of stuff with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it too. And with that, we will see you guys on the next video.